Today I'm sharing a LoRA ID. The main problem it solves is lock the protagonist's voice when generating the video. If multiple video segments are generated, the audio is prone to change, so this LoRA function. It means giving a person an ID card. You can upload a sound clip for it to reference. It will remember the sound of this person speaking. Solving the problem of different sounds generated multiple times. There's no need to generate the sound first and then align it. Use LoRA directly to log the sound. It focuses on the facial features of the person. Let me give you a brief introduction first. For example, uploading J-Show's voice here. You must upload a 5-second audio file. Connect to ideal LoRA node reference. It is not a sound clone, but a sound reference. This node is set to a reference value. The higher the pitch, the more it resembles J-Show's voice and tone. The default setting of 3 is usually sufficient. Facial features will be automatically locked during generation. This can be understood as finding a voice for a person. It is very useful in multiplayer scenarios. Let's listen to the generated results. It looks based on the tone of the reference voice. If you want to generate other videos, continue using this LoRA and the same parameters. The same person will look onto the same voice. It actually refers to the tone and manner of speaking. Let's look at this node first, and I'll explain it in detail later. Its sound will perfectly match the video scene. Background sound will also generate a stereo effect. In other words, the generated video has more perfect sound. The most important point is to log the ID identity. Use this sound again for the next generation. Based on the voice you reference, you can pinpoint this person. A brief introduction to workflow operation. The above is the official workflow for LTX 2.3. This new node needs to be updated to the latest version. ComfyUI supports the LoRA ID by default, and supports this reference sound. It's not a clone or a reference sound. This way, the audio in the generated video remains unchanged. Even if it's generated multiple times, it still sounds the same. And it will remember the person's facial features. Even if you talk for a long time, your facial features will remain consistent. If you don't use it, your facial features will easily change when you speak. An accurate lip syncing and poor micro expressions. videos specifically designed for long speech sessions, or a video that needs background sound. Sometimes birds fly around in the background of the video. LoRA might not have sound without an ID. Adding it will generate ambient sounds. Therefore, this enhances sound generation. It's like perfect synchronous generation. The sound isn't perfect without it. Adding it would make the sound perfect. Remember how to write the prompt with structure. Voice and sound effect should be written separately and in a standardized manner. This method produces the best results. This also offers a voice generation function. Sometimes you might want to design your own voice. You need to move the music link to the top. You can move here. Then select this node and untie it. Whether it's locked or not doesn't matter. This allows you to customize what you say. This sentence is only for reference regarding timbre. For example, designing it to sound like a 50-year-old man's voice. Say something randomly and let it reference the tone. The specific lines are not designed here. Write the lines directly in the voice prompts. This is only used for designing character voices. For example, the shy and nervous voice of a 50-year-old woman. You can design various timbres yourself. The most important problem it solves is, for example, multiple videos need to be generated multiple times. Without it, the audio in more than 10 videos is different. With it, you can ensure that your facial features are consistent. And using the same reference sound. The audio generated from several videos is exactly the same. In addition to sound enhancement, there is also facial consistency. No matter how long, the facial features remain consistent. His lip movements were accurate and his micro-expressions were very coordinated. That concludes the introduction to this workflow. The following introduces the online mirror of IntBrain Cloud. Click to open and use immediately without deployment. The image contains many workflows. Open LTX 2.3 and you'll find the complete set. You can use it by right-clicking to unlock it. You can use whichever one you want. The one I'm introducing today can be used directly. Other workflows have their own video tutorials. Mirroring also includes the commonly used Flux complete workflow. There are also image and Quen series models. Also includes 1RDR full video generation. It also includes a complete set of music generation and voice cloning features. These are the latest and most commonly used workflows. For example, image or video restoration and enlargement. After generation, you can use VS to repair and magnify. The mirror image is further divided into video images and audio. Video-related tasks refer to the video generation and editing workflow. The image class contains 300 image editing workflows. Voice-related functions include voice cloning and human voice extraction. I recommend everyone copy my cloud mirror with one click. No need to deploy everything. It's ready to use right out of the box. Each workflow inside is listed as one full set, and each one has its own video tutorial. It's very convenient to learn and use simultaneously, and the formatting is consistent. Learning one will enable you to master other typesetting techniques. They are all arranged into rows from left to right. The parts highlighted in red are the key operations. The others can be ignored. The default parameters are already the optimal settings. The left side sets the size, duration, number of frames, and model. Next is two-word sampling and secondary amplification. The above is the official video generation workflow. Below are the settings for uploading images, including size and audio. The structure is clear at a glance. You will only need to know how to operate one. For local deployment, please click on My Notes. Click the navigation tutorial to jump to the workflow location. They are also divided into three categories: video, image, and audio. It's placed in the LTX 3 video category. File names and names can be searched directly. All models are included in the installation tutorial. Download link and screenshots of the model are available. The red box indicates which model you want to download. The model storage location is also recorded there. Here are some usage tips. There's also the use of Gemini to generate auto-completion words. All screenshots are at the bottom to clearly show the parameters. You can directly view the parameters in the screenshot. There are also simple, labeled operating procedures. All screenshots and annotations are included, making the process very simple. Each workflow at the bottom has a video tutorial. Finally, here is the download link for the workflow. The notes are suitable for people who deploy locally. Okay, that's all for this episode. Go have fun.